shit in that stinky old porta potty over there. I wouldn't go in there if I were you. It smells like turkey chicken fried up there. So, how about I just go finish that fat shit I was doing, and you fuck off. Oh Lord, that fat poop was out of this world, if you know what I mean. Well, I think I need to do it again.